running through here like an absolute moron before the intro cuts off my sentence. And that is my 3D printed play button, as you can see here. Okay, so I didn't upload yesterday or the day before, and that's because I've decided that I might not upload on weekends. I might, but I'm probably not going to. You're in the vlog now. 101. How losers multitask. How men multitask. Google Chrome needs admin privileges? Why? This thing is the messiest thing in the entire universe. Up here I have all cables kind of organized. In here, weird stuff. I don't even know what the... Half the stuff in here I don't even know what it is. Then in here, Pokemon's cards and that. I would open it, but it'll all fall out. Gonna have to take care of that sometime soon. My smartphone. It sometimes records audio. I used to have a Huawei phone, which was actually really better and I used as a camera, but it wasn't charging, it never charged. So that eventually was unusable. So this is my Lumia phone. I use it to record audio sometimes, like when I'm away from the camera, although, once again, the quality is adjustable. I just hit record, and like many people, I just email it to myself. But unfortunately, I don't know how well the quality is compared to my camera. So, this is me talking to the Lumix camera. And this is me talking to my phone. I really don't know which one's better, but whatever.